there.
Mr. and Mrs. Detroit. I don't hear y'all.
Doran. Doran, you online?
Hey, Eddie, you going to the bar or are you just doing patrol? Oh, okay, 10-4. Yeah, now I see what you're doing. My bad. Non-driving ass motherfuckers. Right?
Bitch. That's what the fuck you get, money.
Ceasefire, 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 ceasefire. Ceasefire,
All you have
ceasefire.
to do was answer the question, ho. All you have to do was ask the question so you did.
Cause she a red tag. I don't want to hear
What
that
mean
shit.
I'm a red tag? Cutthroat, you know what the fuck going on.
I don't want to hear that shit. She a red tag. Stop being soft.
Cutthroat, you know what's going on.
He's down. He's down. He's down.
Man, I don't give a fuck.
I'm not talking, Cutthroat. You
Told me
know
I
what's
was
going on.
with the red tags. Y'all be hard.
That's why you dead. So I don't really give a fuck.
Bitch, she
Rag,
dead too. Shut the fuck up.
come
Suck my dick,
out,
bitch.
whatever the fuck your name is. Eat my dick. That's my bitch. Eat my ass.
RP14.
Oh. RP.
Damn,
That you
somebody
both
on that
dead. I
floor.
for I bitch. I for I. Fuck you.
Hey, I don't think they want no smoke out here, y'all.
What's your name and badge number, sir?
Hell no, I don't want no smoke with the laws.
He just punched you. What was his name? Is that
Go chase the nigga that's punching. You worry about a passport, gang.
Guys, I'm on the roof. Just in
Hey,
case
we got one on foot running.
Yeah, I tried to throw a truck on him.
Hey, you got a gun out too. You got a gun out too running down Santa Monica. Hey, somebody bring a car or something. I'm on foot down here.
I have my eyes on him. I'm done playing.
Yeah, white t-shirt, black pants, sombrero hat.
I have my eyes on him at gunpoint.
They chasing your ass. Smooth.
It's Flex God.
I arrested the guy that punched you, but he logged out. Yes, sir.
Yo, he's fired.
Yes, sir. I will. I didn't get to put charges on him before he logged out, but yeah, I'll throw the green ticket up. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's not. There's only a few people in there, and it seems pretty mellow.
Yeah,
Oh hell!
I'm on the roof.
Oh. Ma'am, did you just try to punch me? Ma'am, you have the right to remain silent. Whatever you say can't be used against you in court of law. If you have an attorney, won't be provided for rights just read to you.
No.
Why'd you try to punch me, ma'am?
We got a suspect in front of the bar with their guns out. Suspect wearing all black, green, black tracksuit with green
Let me
stripes.
out before I wreck this car.
I have him on gunpoint. I'm on the roof. Can somebody search it, please?
Nobody searching me.
Hey, I'm trying to push their way.
I promise you, if you guys start shooting at a cop,
You can pop.
I will wipe you away.
I got you. Hey, Rick. I got you, Rick.
Damn, fuck, nigga.
Damn, I was on my
Dispatch
break.
01 in custody, en route to PD.
You gotta put some new tires on that motherfucker.
Shit, I ain't gonna lie. Look at the black marks going down the road.
Follow Cutthroat.
Right now, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Y'all don't see what the fuck going on.
Go, go, go.
How you doing?
Go.
What you doing, bro?
Oh.
What you do? Right, I ain't even have my gun out. What you on?
No,
Fuck
nobody give a fuck. You around here fucking with motherfuckers.
Nope.
Nobody for no reason. Getting locked up. Back up, nigga. Back up. Call back up, nigga.
I'm following you, Cutthroat.
Hey, appreciate you, real niggas.
Hey, we got
you, bro. You thought I was finna let him do that to you? No.
Hey, I tased this bitch as soon as he thought he was gonna tase something.
Shut up, bitch.
Give it to me. Give it to me.
I heard that so much times.
They tell us that all the time. You didn't get tased. You didn't get tased out of car, pussy nigga. You gonna
Shut
get
up,
it.
bitch.
I recorded it too. I'll show them. Well, you didn't use no macros before you tased that car.